9 Untold Truths About Money. Ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle? It's not always about how much you earn, but how much you understand about money. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 untold truths that will fundamentally change your relationship with your finances, from mastering your mindset to smart spending, strategic saving, and savvy investing. Get ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom. These aren't just tips. These are fundamental shifts in how you think, manage, and grow your wealth. Trust me, by the end of this video, your financial perspective will be completely transformed. Let's dive in. Truth number 1. Your money mindset is your financial foundation. The number one truth, and perhaps the most crucial about money, is your money mindset is your financial foundation. It's not just about what's in your bank account, but what's in your head. Do you believe money is evil, that you're not good enough to have it, or that it's always slipping through your fingers? These deeply ingrained beliefs, often formed in childhood, dictate your financial behaviors. If you believe money is scarce, you'll hoard it or fear losing it. If you believe it's abundant, you'll find ways to attract and grow it. You need to actively work on identifying and reshaping these beliefs. Start by asking, what are my earliest memories or feelings about money? And how can I reframe them into empowering beliefs? Let me share my personal experience with you here. When I was a child, my family didn't have a lot of money, and our focus was only on survival. When I started making money even before I entered my 20s, I was still living with survival mindset. My wrong beliefs about money and success in general was rooted in my financial background, and I discovered that I was programmed for poverty from my childhood, so I need to improve my financial literacy. That leads to the biggest truth about money. Truth number 2. Financial literacy isn't taught, it's learned. Moving on to truth number 2. Financial literacy isn't taught in schools, it's learned through intentional effort. Think about it. We learn algebra, history, literature, but rarely how to budget, invest, or understand taxes. This isn't an accident. It's just how the system is set up. The truth is that you are responsible for your financial education. Don't wait for someone to teach you. Read books, watch videos like this one, listen to podcasts, take online courses. The more you understand how money actually works, beyond just earning and spending, the more power you gain over it. Start with the basics, understanding interest, inflation, and compounding. As long as your parents are financially successful, the way they trained you about money might not be the right approach to wealth creation. That is why we're telling you the importance of your own financial education. Truth number 3. Budgeting isn't restrictive, it's liberating. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself, it's about liberating yourself. Many people see a budget as a straitjacket, telling them what they can't do. But that's a complete misunderstanding. The true power of a budget lies in giving you control and clarity. It's a plan for your money, allowing you to tell every dollar where to go instead of wondering where it went. When you budget, you proactively decide what's important to you. Saving for a down payment, a dream vacation, or investing for retirement. It frees you from financial anxiety because you know exactly where you stand. Start with a simple 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, debt. Using a restrictive budget can lead to several negative outcomes, primarily because it's unsustainable and psychologically draining. Instead of empowering you, it often creates a sense of deprivation, guilt, and anxiety around money. This approach can be just as detrimental as having no budget at all, as it can lead to burnout and cause you to abandon your financial goals entirely. A highly restrictive budget can make every spending decision feel like a high-stakes choice. This constant micromanagement of expenses can be exhausting and lead to significant stress and anxiety. It can turn something that should be a tool for peace of mind into a source of constant worry. If a budget doesn't allow for any fun or non-essential spending, you'll likely feel deprived. This can lead to a financial diet mentality where you eventually rebel and overspend in a big way, much like someone on a strict food diet might binge eat. When this happens, you often feel guilty and defeated, which can cause you to give up on budgeting altogether. Truth number 4. Your income isn't your wealth. This is a huge misconception that traps countless people in a cycle of lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, you spend more, you earn more, you spend more, and suddenly, despite a higher income, you feel just as broke, or even more so. Wealth is measured by your net worth. Wealth is measured by your net worth. What you own minus what you owe. It's built by the money you keep and invest, not just the money you earn. A high income with high expenses leads to zero wealth accumulation. Focus on increasing the gap between what you earn and what you spend, and then strategically deploy that surplus. Someone earning $50,000 and saving $10,000 is building more wealth than someone earning $100,000 and saving $5,000. Truth number 5. Investing isn't just for the rich. Most people never understand this one before they turn 50. Let me repeat it again. Investing isn't just for the rich, it's how everyone gets rich. For too long, investing has been portrayed as this complex, high-stakes game only for Wall Street elites. That's simply not true anymore. The untold truth is that with modern platforms, you can start investing with very little money. The magic of compound interest works best over time, so the earlier you start, the better. You don't need to be a stock market guru. Simple diversified index funds, or ETFs, can help you grow your money significantly over decades. Demystify investing for yourself. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do its work. Even $50 a month can make a huge difference over 30 years. Truth number 6. Time is your most valuable asset. Time is your most valuable financial asset, especially when it comes to investing. This ties directly into our last point, but it's so important it deserves its own truth. The untold truth is that the power of compound interest is truly astonishing, but it requires time. Every day you delay investing, you're not just missing out on that day's potential returns, you're missing out on the future returns on those returns. It's an exponential effect. The earlier you start saving and investing, even small amounts, the less you'll have to save later to reach the same goal. Don't underestimate the power of starting now. Truth number 7. Diversification isn't a guarantee, but it's protection. Diversification isn't a guarantee of returns, but it's absolutely your best protection against major losses. I know you have heard the popular phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." It's a cliche for a reason. The market volatility is inevitable. Economic downturns happen. Specific companies or industries can struggle. If all your money is tied up in one place, you're exposed to massive risk. Diversification, by spreading your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, different industries, and different geographies, helps smooth out your returns and protects you when one area performs poorly. It's about minimizing risk, not maximizing individual gains. Think broad market index funds rather than trying to pick individual winners. Truth number 8. Financial independence is a journey, not a destination. This is a crucial truth you need to know while chasing your financial goals. Financial independence isn't a destination you arrive at, it's an ongoing journey. Many people chase a specific number or an idea of being rich and then feel disappointed if they don't get there immediately, or even once they achieve it. The true financial independence is about continuous learning, adapting, and making conscious choices that align with your values. It's about building systems, not just hitting targets. Your goals will evolve, your life circumstances will change, and your financial strategy needs to evolve with them. It's about building a robust financial life that gives you options and resilience, regardless of what happens. Celebrate milestones, but always keep learning and growing. Truth number 9. Your greatest asset isn't money, it's you. And finally, your greatest financial asset isn't your money, your investments, or your property. It's you. Your ability to learn, to adapt, to earn, to create, to problem solve, that's your ultimate wealth-generating machine. Investing in yourself, your education, your skills, your health, your relationships will always yield the highest returns. The more valuable you make yourself, the more opportunities you'll create, and the more earning potential you'll have. Don't neglect your physical and mental well-being for the sake of chasing a dollar. A healthy, knowledgeable, and adaptable you is the most powerful financial tool you possess. These are the 10 truths about money that I hope have opened your eyes and empowered you to take control of your financial future. Remember, understanding these principles is the first step. Consistent action is what truly transforms your wealth. Which of these truths resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building that financial freedom. Love you and love the process of building your future. Thank you.